It's video, so.
Oh my God, it's so cute.
Hey, Carlo.
You're so cute. What's your name? Oh, your Lord.
Did you say hi?
Hey, Charlie.
Okay, ibaba mo nga. Oh, yung laptop.
Laki, no?
I know.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Pwede defensive end.
Ayan.
Hindi ko
Football.
Oh my God.
Oh, watch it, huh? Watch it. Pwede defensive end.
Yung itsura niya. Maganda.
Kumana sa ama.
Hoy!
Malayo?
Charlie.
Hoy, di pa ako tapos.
Yes.
Wait,
Oh, we got it down. Oh my God.
Here you go, you missed.
Pictures in the pool. All dressed up.
Hey! Kuya yan yan. Hi! Kuya yan yan. Hi!
Lala tayo.
He's taller than you now. How old is he now? How old are you now, Nick? Yeah. 12? Yeah.
So hungry. 12 size 11 ang paa.
Pwede naman eh. Defensive end.
There.
Here. Yeah, perfect here.
I haven't eaten yet.
I'm expecting what a little
I don't know, that has to do with here.
No. Oh, you were there. You saw him when you were there sa Pilipinas.
Nico, how did you get so big?
McDonald's.
G?
Oh.
Yeah, we just finished.
I think you can wear my old shoes now.
Yeah, no, what's that?
Bigla na po.
11 up na na.
Wala pa ako. Gutom na ako. Mama.
You can use my old shoes now.
Di ba ako nagkakain? Ma,
I
hi.
can use his shoes.
I
I know, I'm sending a hi.
I'm just so shocked.
You got bigger
I'm
foot than
so shocked.
your kuya.
Come on, let's
You're
go.
taller now than your mom.
He's gonna be
You're taller now than Tita Bet and I.
Yeah.
taller than her.
He's gonna be taller than you. He's only 12.
Nag-iiba na.
Oh, mama.
I know, mama, no. I can't even see her.
What?
Where's mommy?
Um,
Tsaka ano?
what? May buhok na?